P4 wiring inside the cabinet. X17 and the X63 are temporarily placed in the next cabinet via below. The power line X, Y, Z, and C installation according to signs U, V, and W installed to terminal of server driver. Server driver at terminal U, V, and W. Connect X23 joins with the same number. Server driver Y, terminal U, V, and W. Server driver X, terminal U, V, and W. The green wire E must be installed to ground the terminal of its server driver. X17 and X63 join with same number. Connected from other side cabinet. Check again for X17 and X63. Management and distribute the cables from P3, P5, and P6. P5 wiring inside the cabinet. All of P5 cables connect to front cabinet through the hole at right side. To front cabinet. the connect Z P14, Y P13, X P12 insert to P14, P13, and P12 in PMW board. For your operation convenience, we recommend you insert from P14, P13, and then P12. P14, P13, P12. P3, wiring inside the cabinet. X, Y, Z, and C connect to server driver in other cabinet through the hole in left side. To other side of cabinet according to the signs X, Y, Z, and C insert to CN2 of server drivers. X axis, Y axis, Z axis, C axis. JP10, JP11, JP12 wiring for MSW board. MSW JP12, MSW JP11, MSW JP10, JP17, JP34, JP7, JP30, JP16, JP14. Put all of above cable into the wire start. Join the connector X19 with the same number, then tight lightly by slot screwdriver. X85 insert to rotary scale converter box, then tight lightly by slot screwdriver. The X85 is feedback from CX rotary scale and connect X26, X29, X31, and X97 temporarily until the electric flow filled to reservoir, otherwise pump will dry run.